What's going on, YouTube? Got a little project on the C4 today. Tinting taillights. I'm only going to do one. I've already done the other three. And I'll show you, after I get it done, I'll show you what it looks like on the car. I'll post the link of where I got the vinyl for the tinting. I bought it off eBay. Comes in a sheet like this. It's actually a whole blackout kit for the C4. So let me get this vinyl pulled off of here and see if we can't get it stuck on there. Alright, I'm not a professional at this, so I could be doing it wrong, but this is how I've done the other three, and it seemed to worked out fine. So I got my vinyl here, and what I've been doing is the hardest part is trying to line it up on here without it sticking. So what I've been doing is just getting it kind of close and letting the middle set down, then look at everything. So that looks pretty good there. So I've just been kind of just working from the middle out. Now you can pull it off, it ain't too bad, and just start rubbing my finger from top to bottom and working my way to the left. Trying to cover the whole tail light. If you get an air bubble, like I said, this stuff is pretty easy to pull back up. And I'll have some bubbles in mine, or not really bubbles, but it's actually imperfections in the lens itself. So that's what you'll see. And if you don't like it, just pull it back up. I do have a squeegee right here that's wrapped in a piece of paper towel. I don't know if it'll be easier or not, but so just flip it over, start doing the other side, and see right here, it's up at top, it's actually writing in the lens, but I'll show you how I've been dealing with that at the end. See, I got some bubbles right there, so just pull it back up. Pull it tight. I'm sure it's probably used something better than a paper towel, but it's what I got. You see those words right there? They like to mess you up. Get some bubbles in there. Just do the best you can to get it kind of smoothed out. You can see that or not. far as those words go in the corners, I've been taking a heat gun, putting it on low, kind of let it blow right over them words. Hit it with my finger real quick. Same thing with the edges. See, the edges got soft now, so you can kind of take and rub the flat pieces out. Now the curves is a little different. But you just take your heat gun and keep working it. And I'm not too overly concerned about the edges. I mean, you have to look kind of hard to see them. But I've been pushing all the corners to the middle right there. And I'll show you why in just a second. And on these taillights, they got screw holes on either side. So I just heat that one little area up. And take my finger and form it to that circle or half circle. Then do the same to the other side. Doesn't take much heat. And I got a few bubbles in there, but they may release over time. But I mean, it's not bad. I've never done this before. So, well, I'm gonna put them back on the car. I'll show you all the final result. And please like, subscribe, share, and comment and let me know what you think. Alright, here they are installed back on the car. I think they look pretty good. Definitely better than, I guess, the plain old red. I have a before shot of it before I started putting the vinyl on there, and I'll add that in right here. Alright, so again, please like, subscribe, share, and let me know what you think in the comments. And like I said, they're not perfect by any means, but like I said, I think it's alright for my first attempt at playing with vinyl tint or tinting vinyl, and see how it goes. Thanks for watching.